Gordon growth model is an effective way for stock valuation. Here I will show you a very quick derivation of the formula without providing examples or excessive explanation. The formula proposed by Professor Myron Gordon in 1959 shows that we can identify an appropriate share price by looking at the future cash flow or dividends received by shareholders. Sometimes people note the subscripts or simply use K instead of R. Please understand that they essentially represent the same things. With cash flow projection, we can calculate an appropriate share price by collecting future dividend each year and using the rate R to discount it back to time zero. Please look at the second term, where we have the term 1 plus G and 1 plus R in pink. If we draw them out and rewrite, we would get the last line. And notice that the green bracket actually is embedded there. As a result, we can replace it and get the equation in the yellow block. Now is the finishing touch. We just multiply both sides of the equation by 1 plus R, rearrange a bit, and yes, we've got the Gordon formula, which is now in the closed form and is very convenient for use.